Friday, April 1st, 2022. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I got a chill day ahead of me. Welcome to my day in the life with the iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Baby, live it up, you know the work week coming. Turn it into profit so the hurt means something. Shine on the competition, shawty, that's easy. Cuban on the collar so the next stay freezy. Fresh white tee, ain't good, no stains. Swinging in the rental, got it hogging both lanes. Quarantine clean, but the streets still dirty. Round to the 9 if it's past 8:30. I've been on my grind like I'm tryna get sharp. It ain't come with keys, all I did is hit start. I ain't even planned it, but that hit still. Car full of baddies, got me playing fifth wheel. Juke jammer, baby, got the party going up. I do what I wanna, I don't plan on growing up. See you slamming Henny and don't plan on slowing up. Call your boss and tell him you don't plan on showing up. Lungs full of gas with a handful of goals. Boys in a band, get a band for the shows. Stack it up tall till I stand on my toes. Come and get your man, he'll stand for the...
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Naseem here, and welcome to my day in the life with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how the iPhone 13 Pro Max holds up with moderate to heavy use. So I'm going to be doing things like playing games, recording videos, taking pictures, and anything else that the average person would do on their phone. And also, if you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what phone you want me to do next. Now, today is a very relaxing and calm day because it is my off day. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going to the gym, then I want to go to the park, then after that, I want to go to the movies. And last but not least, I have a barbershop appointment at 7. So that's how I'm going to end my day. And I'm all packed and ready to go. But before I leave, let's take some quick pics. So now that I was able to get my morning routine out of the way, I was able to leave my house so that I could be able to make it to the gym, then go to the park. And while I was waiting for the elevator, I decided to check my phone, and right now it is 10:57 a.m. and I have 100% battery left, which was a pretty great way to start my day. I had a full tank of gas, a full stomach, and was well rested enough to start my day. Alright, you guys, so now we're here in the car, and right now the time is 11:11. And my phone is at 99%. So basically we're gonna see what heavy recording, taking pictures, and listening to music does to this battery after a while. So not gonna waste you guys' time, let's get right to it. Now I'm heading over to Planet Fitness. It's 10:37 a.m. and since there's no traffic, the drive is 9 minutes, and I'm gonna use this phone as my GPS, and we'll see how the battery is like when I get there. So now I'm at the gym right now, and it is 11:28 a.m. and my battery is at 96%. Again, that's pretty good. And also, if you guys have seen my other day in the lives, it's pretty crazy because any other phone would have been at like 90% by now, and it's pretty impressive that this battery is at 96%. But again, we're gonna see what heavy recording and listening to music does to it. So see you guys in there. Alright you guys, so now I'm finished my workout. About to go back to the car and then we're gonna head to the park. Now once I got to my car, I checked my phone and the time was 12:51 p.m. and I had 81% battery left, which means that I lost 15% worth of battery, which isn't that bad since I did a lot on it. Alright you guys, so again I'm out of the gym. And I'm not gonna lie, man, 81% is actually really good. And I say it's good because I got the max settings on. As you see, my display is on full brightness. I have 5G on. And also while I was in the gym, you've seen I was doing the heavy recording. And also when I was playing my songs, I was going through the full library because I don't have a playlist. So I was actually getting some extra on-screen time. But besides that, it's a nice day outside. Let's go to the park and enjoy some nature. Now I'm headed over to Porter Ranch Park. And as you can see, it's a 20-minute drive. And again, I'm gonna use my 13 Pro Max as my GPS and let you guys see what the percentage is after the drive. Now I got to the park at 1:22 p.m. and my battery was at 72%, which wasn't that bad because it was a longer drive. Alright you guys, so again I'm here at the park. It's 1:23 p.m. and what I want to do is I want to record myself playing basketball, and I also want to take a lot of pictures, record some more videos of the nature just so I can see how this camera holds up. And lastly, I just want to take everything in because it is a very beautiful day outside and I'm not going to waste you guys time, so let's get right into it. Now while I was admiring my surroundings, I decided to listen to some music so that I could shed some time and enjoy relaxing. I also went on Twitter to see what was going on in the tech community, and also Instagram so that I could check up on some friends and see what they were doing. So now that I was ready to go, I checked my phone and it was 2:52 p.m. and I had 46% battery left. All right, you guys, again, I'm in the car and it is 2:53 p.m. and I have 46% battery left. And I'm not gonna lie, again, this is really amazing because I do have 5G on. I do have it on max brightness because it's really bright outside. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I shot so many videos because I'm not gonna lie, I was missing a lot. And even on YouTube, I got kind of carried away, so I racked up some on-screen time. And I'm not gonna lie, it's doing really well. It's almost 3 p.m. and I still have a lot of battery left to go. But the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the movies because I wanna see how the battery holds up on standby time. And basically standby time is a time where your phone is turned off. You know, you're still getting notifications, but you're not using your phone. And I just wanna see how the 13 Pro Max can hold up, especially since I'm trying to see a movie that's a a little over 2 hours. So we're gonna see. The movie wasn't too long, so I could be able to make it to the barbershop after, and the drive was only 3 minutes, so I didn't really need my GPS to get there. Guys, so now I'm here at the movie theaters, and honestly, I want to take some more videos and pics to show you guys just how it looks out here, because it really does look nice. And also the movie is an hour and 50 minutes, so we're going to see how good the battery is on standby time. I checked the time and it was 3:30 p.m. and my battery was at 39%, and let's see how the battery holds up.
2 hours later.
Now once I finally got out of the movie, I checked the time and it was 5:01 p.m. and my battery was at 32%, which means that I lost 7% on standby mode. Alright you guys, I'm back in the car after being in the movie for about 2 hours, and I'm not gonna lie, that movie was trash. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna take a shower because I feel pretty sticky, and if I have time after I shower and I get ready, then I'm gonna watch some videos to rack up some on-screen time. Now the drive from the theater to my house was about 25 minutes. It was 5:07 p.m. and my battery was at 32%, and I decided to turn on my GPS to get there, so let's see how well the battery holds up. Now I got to my house at 5:34 p.m. and my battery is at 27%, which means that I only lost 5%, which was okay since I was playing music and using GPS on 5G. And alright you guys, now I'm home now. Now I might have just hurry up, I didn't even park in the parking lot. And again, I just want to shower, I want to change my clothes because I feel very hot and sticky. And I kind of want to hurry up because it's 5:35 and I gotta be there at 7:30, but the LA traffic go crazy. But I'm not gonna waste any more time, see you guys in there. Alright you guys, so I'm in the car now. My last stop of the day is the barbershop. And now the last thing that I wanted to do with the iPhone 13 Pro Max is to show you guys how it holds up after a very long ride. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this battery is amazing. Like a lot of other phones wouldn't be able to last this long. And also the fact that I started very early was very, very impressive. So I'm very impressed. Now my final drive of the day is exactly 1 hour long and my battery is at 26%. So we're gonna see if it can last long after such a long drive. And alright you guys, my final time is at 7:21 p.m. and I have 11% battery left, which means that the iPhone 13 Pro Max has a great battery that can last you all day if you utilize the power saving mode. And my final on-screen time was 6 hours and 40 minutes, which was a really good strain on the battery. And alright you guys, again, I'm here at the barbershop now, and I want to thank you guys for spending the day with me. And as you can see, like everyone says, the iPhone 13 Pro Max has the best battery in the game. The fact that I could be able to get over 6 hours of heavy usage footage and still be able to record on it right now is extremely amazing. And I want to tell you, if you are thinking about getting the iPhone 13 Pro Max, then it's for sure a go. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.